Opioid abuse hits some communities harder than others. Now, Midstate groups are getting state funding to fight addiction and overdose deaths in marginalized communities. Sonica Bargo joins us with that tonight. Sonica.
Alicia, UPMC Pinnacle Hospitals received a little over $200,000 from the state's Department of Drug and Alcohol programs. The health system says this will help UPMC expand access to addiction and substance use disorder care.
Access to care keeps bubbling to the top as a priority.
UPMC is working to tackle disparities in health care in the Midstate.
And it all came out of that community health needs assessment and looking at people that did not have access to care for addiction treatment.
When it comes to substance use disorder, UPMC says communities of color and rural communities often struggle to access treatment.
They can't get here, so transportation issues.
In 2022, Black Pennsylvanians died of an overdose at a rate more than twice as high as white Pennsylvanians.
I would say a barrier to treatment for many of these patients is a deep distrust of the medical community.
Addiction specialist Greg Swartzentruber and Teresa Sellers, who runs UPMC's community health initiatives, are working together to get care to the people who need it.
We have the mobile unit, which is specifically targeted at disadvantaged populations.
Now the two can expand their work thanks to a $219,000 grant to the UPMC Pinnacle Foundation.
And unfortunately, the need is there, but it does give us the flexibility.
The money will go towards buying a second mobile unit and hiring another community health worker.
They developed a rapport with potential patients.
Building that relationship, that's vital.
Sellers says the grants will help them build more of those relationships. One more step in fighting overdose deaths and a step closer to their ultimate goal.
Just to improve quality of life, to let them know that somebody cares and somebody's willing to walk this walk with them.
18 other organizations statewide received grant funding, including PA Counseling Services, which also serves the Midstate. In total, the state gave out more than $6 million in grants. In the studio, Sonica Bargo, ABC 27 News.
Sonica, thank you.